Here in this video, I am going to demo how to run a C or C++ program. I am using Windows 10 operating system. I have already installed GCC compiler. If you haven't installed that, please watch my previous tutorial. I have provided a link to install that in the description. Search Notepad. I'm not using any fancy editor. I'm using simple Notepad to type the program. Simple C program to print hello world, and here we need to include stdio.h. Now I'm saving this particular file. Save. So here I'm going to save this particular file in D drive. Here I'm going to create a folder. Just create a folder named C files. Now we are inside C file folder. Here I'm going to save the file not as a txt. Here we need to select all files, provide the file name. I am providing it as first.c. Save it. I'm just minimizing this particular editor, and here I'm opening the command prompt again. We have saved the file in D drive, so I'm just opening D drive, D colon. We had created a C files folder, so I'm going to that particular directory, cd C files. If I type dir, this is a DOS command to see the files in a directory. So we can see our first.c file is present here. This particular source file has to be compiled. Okay. For that, we need to use some compilers. I have already downloaded and installed GCC, that is GNU Compiler Collection, in this computer. If you haven't done it, please watch my previous tutorial. I have provided that link in the description below. Now I want to compile. For that, we can use the command gcc and provide the file name first.c. When compiler tried to compile this particular program, it failed. That is why we are getting this error. In C, each and every statement should end with a semicolon. That is missing. So I am going to change it. Semicolon, file, save it. I'm minimizing this. Trying to compile the program again. Now compilation is successful. If you list the files again using dir command, we can see a file named a.exe. By default, after compiling the program, it creates a file named a.exe. This is the executable file created from this particular C program. We can execute this particular exe file. I'm just typing a. So we got output here. This is what the instruction we have given in the program, just to print hello world. There are different switch options here. If you want only to compile, you can provide -s. That won't create any executable file. I want to create another exe file with the specified name. I can use -o. Maybe like I can provide some name. Okay, main.exe. Now if you list this, we can see main.exe got created instead of a.exe. This is the old one, and this is the new exe file at new timestamp. Okay. I hope you got some idea about how to create a simple C program and how to run this C program in command prompt. Here we have used Notepad to type the program. While developing complex program, it reduces your productivity. Generally, we use some integrated development environment that help you to identify issues in your program quickly. In the next tutorial, we'll be seeing how to set up Visual Studio Code to run C and C++ program. If you find this tutorial useful, please subscribe and share. Thanks for watching this.